Assalamu alaikum, kids. So before starting my today's lesson, I would like to give a brief review of my previous lesson. As you know that we were studying the topic related to the temperate forest in our last lesson, and we have discussed is that the temperate forests are those kind of the forests that is found in the temperate regions. And the environment of the temperate region is such kind that the climate is too much cold, and these are located in the large part of the Europe, North and Northeast Asia. Coniferous kind of the forest are found there, and the vegetation is such kind that the fir, pine, spruce, cypress, juniper grows there. The temperate forests are not very rich, just like the equatorial forest, and it cut down very easily. During the winter, it is very cold there, and there is kind of very thick snow, and the lakes freezes over there. Animals just such as lynx, bears, wolves, moose, deer are found usually in the temperate forest, and some of the other smaller animals and the birds can also found there. These animals can only survive in such a cold climate because of the very thick coat of the fur on their bodies that keep them warm. These furs usually hunt by the human beings, and that would be used in the clothing of the human being. And as we all know that we have done with our chapter, now today we will be doing our work page that you can find on page number 23. Question number one. Find these words in the dictionary or an encyclopedia. Write a sentence to explain each word. I've done it for you. I will explain it, and I hope you will write it on your books and send it to me. Number one, Bedouin. What is a Bedouin? Right? Bedouin is the name of for nomads of the Arabian desert. जो अरेबियन डेजर्ट के वो लोग they are usually always travel from one place to another, that are nomads. वो लोग जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हमेशा migrate करते रहते, that is known as Bedouin. Right. Number two, Sirocco. Sirocco is the name for the hot, dry, dusty wind that blows through the Mediterranean region. Sirocco is usually a kind of the desert wind that is blown over the Mediterranean region. Next is Wadi. Wadi is a dry river bed in the Middle Eastern desert. It means valley. Number four, nomad. A nomad is a wanderer, a person who does not live in one place and is constantly on the move. Those people who does not used to live at one place and they always migrate from one person place to another person is usually that what we call a nomad. Last one is cactus. That's a very easy. A fleshy plant usually with prickles found in a hot, dry climate. You can write cactus is a fleshy plant found in a hot, dry climate. Activity is B. That is, write the words below in an appropriate column. You have given the column contains four headings. Number one, climate. Number two, land. Number three, vegetation. Number four, animals. And you have all these options, including the wind, sandy, camel, spiny, rocky, temperature, leaves, snake. You will fill up this. For example, I can do it for you. क्लाइमेट में हमारा सबसे पहले आ जाएगा इस फोर में से देखें, सो वी हैव विंड. यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे विंड. नंबर टू आप लिखेंगे इसमें से टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर इज अ वर्ड दैट इज रिलेटेड टू क्लाइमेट. नंबर थ्री आप लिखेंगे रेनफॉल इधर. नंबर फोर यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपका वर्ल्ड विंड. ठीक है, मैं आपको ये शो कर देती हूँ. Climate में you will write wind, temperature, rainfall and whirlwind. Land, in land column you will write sandy, rocky, wadi, dunes. In vegetation, you will write spiny, leaves, stem, roots. In animals, you will write camel, snake, lizards, and hedgehog. Okay, there is an activity C. Now circle the things found in equatorial forest with green ink and those in temperate forest with blue. Some of the things that were found in both kind of forest, circle them. These are all the things given. You have to find which thing are found is found in the equatorial forest and which thing is found in the temperate forest and which are the things that are common between these forests. So that is a lot of sunshine. A lot of sunshine is found in equatorial forest, so you will fill it with green ink. Alpine trees कहाँ होते हैं? Fast growing plants कहाँ होते हैं? हमने सारा पढ़ा है या आप सारा खुद करेंगे? This is very creative. This will be your homework. Now the part D, complete these sentences. Number 1, trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall because of the cold climate. जो अल्पाइन फॉरेस्ट है वो इतने लंबे नहीं होते क्योंकि वहां पे क्लाइमेट बहुत ठंडा होता है. नंबर 2, the roots of the coniferous trees help to keep the soil. coniferous trees से हमें क्या मिलती है? From being washed away. हमारी soil washed away नहीं होती. Dead trees in the rainforest do not fall to the ground because of the dense vegetation. जहां पर आपका बहुत ज्यादा दरख्त होगा वहां पर वो कभी भी नहीं गिरेगी. Plants in rainforest grow fast because of the heavy rainfall and fertile soil. Animals are not hunted for their fur because they are lost to protect wildlife species. So if you have not done it with the video, don't worry, I will share this file with you. Okay, students. So if you have any queries, so please feel free to ask. Thank you.